Welcome to Goldilocks Training. My name is Emmanuel. Today we'll be discussing how to get your TIN certificate for personal use or for your business. TIN simply means taxpayer identification number. In case you don't know, you can use it for your bank to open your bank account or maybe for your personal use or whatever that you want to use it to do. Then in Nigeria, we have two forms of TIN. That's the old FIRS and the new JTB, that's Joint Tax Board. But both of them are still recognized. Like you can still use it to open your bank accounts or do whatever that you want to use it for. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. You go to your browser, you type tin.jtb.gov.ng. It will open into this page. Then you have to select what you want to do. Either you have registered your TIN before, you want to verify it. That's the first one, TIN verification. If it is for access TIN registration system, if it is for non-individual, say register for TIN as non-individual, that's what you choose. Then when you click that one, it will open into this page where you will now select the kind of business that you register, that you want to get your TIN for. You select it. Is it limited by guarantee, partnership, private limited company, or then you choose. If it is for business name, you choose it. Then here we are registering for a company, so we are registering the private limited company. So you put your RC number, that's your registration number. Put the number to be close. Just write your RC and then the number together. No, there will be no space. Automatically it will load, refresh, and get your business name. Our own is Golden Fema Chemicals and Decor, so it will bring it automatically. You click the next page, then it will bring the forms that you have to fill. See all the forms that we are going to fill. Provide all the informations that are needed here. The first one is phone number 1. So there are 2 spaces for phone number, but you can just choose one. One is compulsory. Those ones that have red mark on them, they are the compulsory ones. So you can just provide one number, and then if you have 2 numbers, you can provide. The next one is email address. Remember to provide the email address that you used in your CAC registration. That's what we just provided here. Then date of commencement. You can put the date that is in your CAC registration. That's the day that you did your CAC registration. And then after you make the provision for that, remember it is in your certificate already. You just put it. If you see the next one is date of incorporation, is already there because they work together with CAC. So what that is in CAC portal will automatically be here once you put your RC number. So the next one is the kind of business that you are doing. So you have to select business sector. So you have to select the sector. Our own is manufacturing. We are into manufacturing, so you select it. The next one is the line of business. Remember, these things are things that you have provided before during your CAC registration. So it's the same thing that you're going to provide for them here. Okay, since it is the same business, you are going to provide the same line of business as you chose before. Sometimes this one is more detailed than CAC portal, but it's the same thing. So you are going to still select the line of business, the nature of business. You have to select them. Then country has already been put there. The state has already been there. The local government, you have to select the local government of your business operation. Okay, then street number, you put the number of streets. Then after that, you check every other information in your registration. Your CAC registration has been provided for you. Then you choose this, I'm not a robot. After that, you can check to know if there is correction or maybe there is something that you omitted that is necessary. If you check and there is nothing else to do, you are done. So the next thing is for you to go and submit. Click the submit button and then you wait. It will refresh, it will submit automatically and then show you that success. It's a TIN request submitted successfully. So this is your request ID for tracking or for to know whether it has been registered or not. So you can check your email and you will see they have sent you email. So TIN request creation notice. So they have sent you email that your request has been submitted. Then you wait for 2 to 3 days or more. So I waited for some time and I did not see my TIN. I sent them email. So I sent them email for some time. So this was their reply. There, Emmanuel, your request has been submitted, blah blah blah, all those things. Because I sent them email. Then the next email was the email they sent me that the TIN has been generated, like they have submitted it. They sent me in line with the certificate. Boom. So if you just click the link that was sent or maybe the PDF, you will see your certificate. And this is my own. I know you can do the same thing and it's very easy. So after this, I decided to save it in my drive. Most of my files, my form, I submit them in my file. So that's just what I did. You can choose to submit your own somewhere, maybe for reference purposes, or maybe in case you lost your phone or maybe your system, you can still have access to them. So, and we are done. It's not difficult. It's something that you can do with ease, and people charge a lot of money for this, but you can do it on your own without stress. Okay, all these things I did them with my phone, and it's as easy as ABC. You can follow us for more. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.